What if I told you being poor in America can cost you over $40,000 more every year, just for surviving? Not because you spend recklessly, not because you made bad choices, but because the system is built to punish you for not having money. This is America's darkest secret, and it's not an accident. Let's start with the obvious. Banks. If you're wealthy, banking is free. If you're poor, you get charged for being broke. Overdraft fees, minimum balance fees, late payment penalties, average overdraft fee, $35, miss one by $5 and you're in debt. Add payday loans, where people borrow $500 and pay $800 back. Add check cashing stores, charging 1 to 10% of your paycheck. Need a car? You'll get a higher interest rate. Not because you're risky, but because your credit score was already destroyed by the system. This isn't a few dollars here and there. It's tens of thousands over a lifetime. In 2022, internal documents from a major US bank revealed something disturbing. Their profit strategy depended on low-income customers getting hit with fees. Not just some, but a majority of their fee revenue came from just 9% of their customers. Those 9%? People living paycheck to paycheck. Translation? They make billions from people who can least afford it. That's not broken design. It's intentional exploitation. Next up, credit scores. Supposedly a measure of financial responsibility. But the system punishes you for not having debt, paying off cards early, closing accounts. Meanwhile, miss a single payment while you're struggling, and your score tanks for 7 years. It's not a credit score, it's a class score. And the lower your score, the more they can charge you for rent, insurance, phones, even jobs. But the financial cost isn't the only penalty. Poverty is mental warfare. Studies show people in financial stress experience the same brain strain as someone losing 13 IQ points. That's like being drunk every day, while still expected to make perfect financial decisions. The result? You're more likely to miss payments, take bad loans, avoid medical care. Then the system blames you, not the trap it built around you. So, what can you do when the entire game is rigged? Here's what they don't want you to know. 1. Credit unions. Avoid major banks. Credit unions charge fewer fees and often work for members. 2. Opt out of overdraft protection. You'll be declined, but not charged $35 for a coffee. 3. Request free credit freezes to stop predatory credit pulls. 4. File disputes on inaccurate credit data. 1 in 5 reports contain errors. 5. Learn consumer protection laws, like the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. This isn't financial advice, it's financial defense, and every poor person in America deserves to know how the game is played. Poverty in America isn't just hard, it's expensive by design. The system doesn't just fail the poor, it profits from them. That's not a bug, it's the business model. This channel exists to expose that truth and show you how to fight back, because every fee you've been charged, every payment you missed, every time you thought it was your fault, it wasn't. The real lie is that it was ever your fault to begin with. Subscribe now, and in the next episode, I'm exposing the $15 billion overdraft scam Chase Bank doesn't want you to see. Like if you've ever felt punished just for being broke.